Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to get numbers from users in the input function, using the input function in Python in 1 minute. So in Python, input from users is always a string, even if they type a number. So to use it in math, we need to convert it to a number using the int function for whole numbers or float for decimals. So let's see an example where we ask the user for two numbers and add them together. Okay, so first of all, we are going to ask the user using the input function to enter the first number and then they enter the second number. So I run the code, it asks me to enter the first number, I would say 14, and it then asks me to enter the second number. I enter 15 and the sum is 29. However, we are going to convert the inputs to integers here. So you use the input function to convert the numbers that we have here, num1 and num2, the input of the user, and convert them to integers because they are by default a string. Then I add them together here, and finally I am going to print them here. Thank you for watching.